make a video, kind of a review on this Baha Designs headlight that I've got on the Honda CRF250F. Anyway, it's not really totally dark out, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights so you can get an idea how bright this light is. But as you can see, this light's pretty bright. And we're just kind of putzing around in the neighborhood here. But I want you to get an idea for how bright it is. Everybody else is out riding too. And we'll go down just a few streets here just so you can see. This thing is bright. Look at it. Look at those signs. I mean, it just shines. Super bright. But it's also getting kind of late here, so I'm trying to be a little quiet and not be too loud. Just to make this quick video, and when we stop, I'll talk about the headlight a little bit more. Alright, just turn around without falling over. Alright. Nice out. Alright, let's see if we can get out of here without killing anybody. Yeah, as you can see, this light is no joke. And that's my daughter. She's totally in my way. Anyway, we're going to go back here real quick in the back, and once you get you an idea, this is kind of just going through this backyard here. So if you're thinking of a headlight for your bike, this is it. This one mounted right to the battery. Connected right to the battery. The best part about this is it doesn't draw too many amps or watts. Go ahead. It's got this nice switch that comes with it. Actually, this is a separate switch. You can get that from Baha Designs as well. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it from outside so you can see it. You can see that is one bright light. That's it.